Alright guys, picking up where we last left off. So, let's see. Let me move this out of the way. So, we last left off and just completed transaction number 8. And we are going to be moving on to transaction number 9, which is March 4. Hugo Rayson paid $90 for a quarterly gym membership. So this sounds like a new customer. So to do that, we go to new customer, sales receipt. We received $90. So let's check the name. Hugo Rayson. Hugo Rayson. New customer. So we add the new customer. Save. Let's see. Sales receipt is going to be March 4th. Payment method is going to be cash, because that's what the book told us to assume, either cash or check. Deposit to undeposited funds. And we'll put in gym membership, quarterly membership, because this is for 90 days. So, and that's pretty much all we need to do here. Save and close that. Let's just check to see if the next one is anything. Nope, no other sales receipts. So save and close. That is done. We'll move on to the next transaction. And if you want to confirm, you just go check reports. Go under sales and customers and sales by customer detail. And you should have Hugo over there somewhere. Let's find Hugo. There it is. So next transaction, transaction number 10, March 6th. Check number 1024 to Copper Property Management Co. in the amount of $1,500 for March rent. Okay, so it's going to be new. It's going to be vendors. It's going to be check. Choose pay. It's going to be Copper Property Management. Copper. There it is. But are we paying a bill? Is this a recurring bill? Cancel. Yes. Let's check to see this. Pay bills. Is there a copper? No. So, oops. Close that out. We're going to send a check. Vendors. Check. We're going to choose to pay. It's going to be Copper Property Management Co. Fitness Haven checking. And the date is going to be 3/6, March 6th. So we're going to select March 6th. It's going to be for rent and lease, and it's going to be for March rent. And the amount's going to be for $1,500. And that's going to be that. Let's see what we have here. So, let's see. Just hit save and close at this point. Check number 1024. Hopefully that's going to be 1024 here. Yep. 1024. Save and close. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay. Next transaction is transaction number 11. And if you want to also check that out, let's go to profit and loss. Let's check expenses, rent and lease. That should be another 1,500, and there it is. But anyway, let's move on to the next transaction. And let me check to see if my notes has checks in here. I don't remember if I have checks. Yeah, looks like it. All right. So next transaction is going to be transaction number 11, March 7th. The following, let's see, March 7th, the following table lists the members who signed up and paid sales receipt for March fitness classes. All members are $50. Okay. And it's going to be sales receipts. Okay. So, sales receipts for all these people for these classes. All right. So we'll go to new once again, customers, sales receipt, and we're going to have to enter in customers one by one. It feels a little bit tedious, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So, Allison, Hutch. Okay. Sales date, receipt date is going to be 7/3/7. Payment method is going to be cash, undeposited funds. It's going to be product. It's going to be basic fitness 101. March fitness class. So we're going to do save and new because there's more. Next person is going to be Jim Dean. Okay, 37. Payment method is going to be cash. Undeposited funds, deposit to. And this is going to be also for basic fitness 101. Jim Dean. So we'll hit save and new. Need to close. Save and new. Okay, next customer is going to be John Brown. Looks like John Brown is someone new because I don't have him. So John Brown. We'll add him. Save. Payment method cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be Wicked Weights. Description. Was this March fitness class? Okay, save and new. Next person is going to be Tim Barnes, right here. Sales receipt date is 2/37. Payment method is going to be cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. Class is going to be Wicked Weights. This is going to be March fitness class. Okay. Save and new. Next person is going to be Jerry Klein. Sales receipt date is going to be as well 3/7. Payment method is going to be cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be cardio killers. Okay. March fitness class. Okay. Save and new. Jerry Klein. Next person is going to be Adrian Gonzalez. Sales receipt date is going to be 3/7/20. Payment method is going to be cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be, let's see, cardio killers. March fitness class. Okay. Save and new. Next person is going to be Lucy Steele. Email sales receipt date is going to be 37/20. Payment method is going to be cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be, let's see, cardio killers. And this is going to be for March fitness. Let's uncapitalize that. Fitness class. Save and new. Next person is going to be Cindy Blackburn. Sales receipts 37. Payment method is going to be cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be what? What is the product service going to be? It's going to be yoga fitness. March fitness class. Save and new. And there's one more person. The last person is going to be Jules Silverstein. Silverstein. Sales receipt date is going to be 37/20. Payment method is going to be cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be, what is it going to be? Let's find out. It's going to be yoga fitness. And this is going to be March fitness class. Okay. And that's going to be it for now. So it's going to be total food sales. It's going to be save and new because it looks like we're going to have to do more sales receipts. So bottled water. No. Let's remove that. Let's trash that. Save and new. Next one's going to be, okay, so the next question. We're done with that transaction. The next transaction is going to be transaction number 12. March 7. Total food sales from the week are shown in the table below. Okay, perfect. So, bottled water, lemon, the bottled water is 7. There's a lot of stuff over here. I'm not going to say it all right now, but I'll go ahead and say it's bottled water. As you recall, we're going to have to remove taxes for that because in Iowa, bottled water isn't taxed. So bottled water, quantity sold 7. Sports drink orange sold 4. Sports drink blue sold 2. Sports drink red sold 3. Energy drink sugar free sold 4. Nutrition bar chocolate sold 5. And nutrition bar peanut butter sold 3. Okay, so let's get this in. This is going to be what? Weekly sales. Customer is going to be weekly sales over here. Sales receipt. Was it 37? Yes, 37/20. Payment method, let's say it's cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. And let's enter them in. So bottled water. This quantity. Let's first enter in all the products. Bottled water. Orange. Blue. No. Blue. Red. Sugar free. Chocolate. Peanut butter. Okay. Quantity, it's going to be 7. 4. 2. 3. 4. 5. 3. And bottled water, we're going to have to uncheck that. Okay, let's look at the amount, $76.63, and that matches what the book says. Perfect. So, let's see what we got here. Weekly sales, sales receipt, everything looks good to me. Let's go ahead and hit save and close, because we're going to be moving on to the next transaction, which isn't a sales receipt. Okay, so now next transaction is going to be number 13, March 7th. Deposited all undeposited funds from the first week of the month into the checking account for a total of $1,048.63. So to do that, we go to new, we go to other, we go to bank deposit. Okay. Date, what's the date? 3/7, yes, that's correct. And we have to check all these guys. Everything from the first week. Let's check that. $1,048.63. That's what we have in the book right here. So let's check. Let's go into account, Fitness Haven checking. And let's hit save and close. Okay, and if you go to reports, check out the balance sheet. That should clear out the undeposited funds account right here. Let's clear it out. All right, so we're going to move on to the next transaction. Transaction number 14, rather. March 8th, Richard Halpert paid $90 for a quarterly membership, for a quarterly gym membership. That sounds like a new customer, so we go to new customers, sales receipt, Richard Halpert. Who's Jim Halpert? Richard Halpert. We're going to add this as new. Save. Change the date to 3/8. All right. And payment method is going to be cash. That's an assumption. Deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be membership, quarterly membership. Save and close. Perfect. Next transaction. Next transaction is number 15. March 9, check number 1025 to Cody's Cleaning Co. in the amount of $250 for a complete gym cleaning, janitorial expense, office, general administrative expense. I guess this is going to be maybe a new account or new vendor or both. Let's take a look. So new, a vendor, check, payee, choose payee. Who's going to pay? Going to be, it's going to be Cody's, yes, Cleaning Co. is a new vendor. Okay, we're going to save that. Payment date is going to be rolled over to 3/9, roll forward to 3/9, and it's going to be 1025. Check number. Category is going to be, what is this going to be? It looks like it's going to be a new one. Janitorial expense. I'm going to have to add this. Janitorial expense. And it's going to go under expenses. It's going to go detail type. What is the detail type? Office and administrative expense. And use office general administrative expense to track all types of general or office related expenses. Okay, save and close. The description is for complete gym cleaning. Okay. Amount is going to be what? $250. And that's going to be it. We're going to hit save and close. And we can see that in the income statement. So let's take a look at the income statement. Should be a new account over here. Well, wouldn't be a new account. Let's see, yep, right here. Janitorial expense, $250. Okay, perfect. We're going to move on to the next page. See how long has this been running for? 20 minutes now? Where is everything going? Getting confused here. All right. Transaction number 16. Let's see how much more we got here. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, perfect. So, transaction number 16. March 10. John Lockhart paid $25 for a first-time gym registration fee and monthly membership fee of $35. Okay, so it's a new customer sales receipt. New customer's sales receipt. Who is this? John Lockhart. John Lockhart. Okay, add this guy. Save. Payment method is going to be cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be registration fee. And it's going to be, let's see, monthly membership. Description is going to be what? Oh, description. No description. That should be it. 3/9? No, it's 3/10. We have to roll over that date. 3/10. Okay, that's it. Monthly membership and registration. Save and close. Next transaction is going to be what? What's going to be the next transaction? Next transaction is going to be number 17, March 10. Received payment of $35 from Robert Markham for March gym membership. Okay, so new customers received payment. And this is from who? Robert Markham. Robert Markham. Okay. For gym membership. It's 3/10. Okay. Choose payment method. Let's say it's check. Undeposited funds. And I suppose this is going to be the invoice for it. Let's take a look at that. No, let's not do that. Save and new, because I want to take a look at that. Let's take a look at it now. Oh boy, new. Let's see what we got here. All right. trying to recall how we set up that recurring transactions, or if we did set up something recurring. Who's this guy's name? That guy's name? It was Robert Markham. Let's see if there's anything in February about that guy. Let's see, Robert Markham. Robert Markham. Robert Markham. Okay. Okay. Let's check reports. I want to check my invoices really quick. Invoice list. See what we got going on. See what we got from February. Invoice. How do we set this up? I don't remember setting it up as recurring. How do we do in January? Okay, let's see what we did in January over here. February transactions. Let's see what we got going on here. Looks like we did set up invoices back in the February transaction. That's why they have it. Okay, so let's close this out. Okay, Let's see. Did we do any other invoices earlier this month? I don't know. Let's find out. I don't think so. I guess these guys are recurring. But anyway, let's keep it moving. So, next transaction is transaction number 18. March 11, paid bill from Cool T-Shirts Co. with a check number 1026 in the amount of $45. Make sure to change the date. Okay. So, new vendors pay bills. And this one is, let's see. All right. The amount of, okay. Paid bill from Cool T-Shirts Co. with check number 1026 in the amount of $45. So, okay, Cool T-Shirts Co. Right here, due date 10/12, payment. Let's see, save and close, perhaps. Change payment date is going to be what? 10/11 or 3/11. Starting check number 1026. Save and close. Perfect. Let's go to dashboard. All right. Next transaction is going to be transaction number 19, March 11th. Purchase order number 1002 to Fit Foods Inc. in the amount of $91.86 to purchase the following inventory items. Okay. Purchase order number 1002 to Fit Foods Inc. in the amount of $91.86 to purchase the following inventory items. Okay. Purchase order. Oh, I don't have notes for purchase order, so I'm going to have to make notes for this guy. Purchase order 19. Purchase order. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Purchase order. Let's see how I'm going to do this. First, I need to make a screenshot. Insert screenshot of this right here. Perfect. Okay, so it's going to be plus new vendors purchase order. Okay, let's take a screenshot of that. Vendors, close this. Purchase order. See what's going on here. So, oh, I already took a screenshot of that. Adjustment, purchase order, see, check, see, purchase order right here. Okay. So I'm making notes for myself, just so you guys can see what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing right here. So 2. Step 2, so let's hit purchase order. Vendor is going, okay, vendor select. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. Vendor is going to be who? Fit Foods Inc. Let's go ahead and let's see what's going on here. Okay, take a screenshot of that. Okay, what's going on here? Next is going to be ship to, we don't need that. Purchase order date. Let's see, 3. Purchase order date. Enter. And in this case, it's going to be 11th. So let's change, let's roll this forward to March 11th. Enter that. Okay. Okay. What do we do next is, let's see, ship via tags, category. Okay. 3, 4. It's not going to be any of these things. It's going to be actual product items for a no. Product service. Enter. Go ahead and select that. Number 5. Number 5 is going to be enter quantity. Enter other parameters. Quantity, rate, amount. Okay. Because I don't want to just, I don't want to do all that. So I'm just going to lump it all together. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay. And in this case, well, it might be the same as it was last time. Let's check. 48, 12. Whoops, not. Lemon. 12. Orange. 24. Blue. 48. Red. 6. Regular. 24. Sugar-free 6. Chocolate is going to be 24. Vanilla is 12. Peanut butter is 6. Now we're going to have to check to see unit costs. 17, 37, 37, 37, 105, 105, 45, 45, 45. And the total costs, 816, 444, 888, 1776, 222, 25.2, 6.3, 10.8, 5.4, and 2.7. And we'll hit save and close. 5, 6. Save and hit save. Okay. Right here. Okay. Let's hit save and close. And see what's going on here. Keep it moving. Next transaction. That transaction is over. We're done with that. Let's see how many pages we got. We're at transaction number 20. And we have up to transaction 46 to get to. So let's keep moving. So transaction number 20, March 11th, Jack Shepard paid $90 for a quarterly gym membership. Okay, so new. Let's see, sales receipt. Jack Shepard. Add. Save. Okay. Sales receipt date. It's going to be what? 3/11. Payment method is going to be cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be what? Quarterly gym membership. Okay. So we're going to hit save and close. Next transaction is going to be transaction number 21. And actually, I'm not sure if I put in the correct date or not. No, I'm pretty sure I did. But anyway, transaction 21, March 12th, received payment of $35 each from Daniel Brown and Adrian Gonzalez for March gym membership. So to complete that, to administer that, we are going to go to new. We're going to go to customers, receive payment. It's going to be receive payment from, let's see, Daniel Brown. Okay. Payment date is going to be 3/12. So roll forward that date. Payment method is going to be check. Let's say check. Deposit to undeposited funds. And we're going to match it to right here. Select that. Hit save and new, because now we have to also put in one for Adrian Gonzalez. Payment date 3/12/20. Let's see. Okay, 3/12/20. Payment method is going to be check. Deposit to undeposited funds. We match that to that invoice right here. And save and close. So let's change that to save and close. Perfect. I'm doing great over here. So making great progress. Okay. Okay, what's next? Let's see. Transaction number 22. Kate Ostino paid 25 March 13. And I want to check those received payments. Make sure that I rolled it forward. Yeah, I did. So anyway, the next one is transaction number 22. March 13. Kate Ostino paid $25 for a first-time gym registration fee and monthly membership fee of $35. Okay, so new. Sales receipt. Choose customer. Customer is going to be Kate Ostino. Okay. Save. Sales receipt date is going to be 3/13. Roll that forward a day. All right. Payment method is going to be cash, deposit to undeposited funds, and this is going to be for registration fee and monthly membership. So let's save and close that. Let's save and new that actually. All right. The next item over here, we'll have to move on to the next page. Transaction number 23, March 14. Total food sales from the week are shown in the table below. All right. We got it right here. Total food sales from the week are shown in the table below. All right, let's tackle this. Let's do this. So, in any event, so let's check this out. Total food sales from the week are shown in the table below. All right, so we're going to do sales receipt for weekly sales. Okay. Sales receipt date, we have to roll this forward to March 14th. Payment method, let's say cash, deposit to undeposited funds, and we'll have to enter all these guys. Bottled water, lemon, blue, red, sugar free, chocolate, vanilla. All right. And quantities are going to be 3, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1. Let's make sure the rate didn't change. Bottled water, we need to uncheck the tax. 1.5. Let's see. Rates 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Let's see, 3.75, 3.25, 3.25, total should be 30.18. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and hit save and close because that is done. Perfect, perfect. Next transaction is going to be transaction number 24. March 14, deposited all undeposited funds from the second week of the month into the checking account for a total of $435.18. So for that, we go to new, other, bank deposit. We're going to hit fitness account, Fitness Haven checking, date 3/14/2020. Choose all. Oops. There we go. Should be what? How much is it? $435.18. That's correct. So we're going to do that. Hit save and close. We're done there. Okay, we're going to have to keep it moving. Next transaction is going to be transaction 25, March 16. Receive payment of $35 from Cindy Blackburn for March gym membership. Okay, so customers, new customers, receive payment. We'll add Cindy Blackburn. Okay. I remember we just talked about Cindy Blackburn, right? No. Okay. Cindy Blackburn. And date is going to be 3/16. So roll this forward to 3/16. Payment method is going to be cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. I'm going to match it up to this invoice right here. Save and close. Perfect. Okay, now next transaction. Next transaction is number 26, March 17th. Oh, let me check that actually, because I don't remember if I've rolled it forward. Did I? March 16. Yes, I did. Perfect. Okay, so next transaction is going to be transaction number 26, March 17. Sold 1 hour of personal training to Cindy Blackburn and Jim Dean for $35 each. So this is going to be a sales receipt, new customer, sales receipt. First person is going to be Cindy Blackburn. Okay. Date is going to be 3/17. Roll this forward. Payment method is going to be cash, deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be personal training. And description, no description needed. Yeah, I guess we should do that. No, we don't need a description. Save and new. Next person is going to be Jim Dean. Sales receipt date 3/17. Payment method is going to be cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be what? Personal training. Okay. As we save and close. Awesome. Okay. Now, the next transaction is going to be transaction number 27, March 18. Jim Sawyer paid $25 for a first-time gym membership registration fee and monthly membership fee of $35. Okay, so new customer sales receipt. You're going to have to enter a customer. It's going to be a new customer. It's going to be Jim Sawyer. Add, save. All right, perfect. Sales receipt is going to be March 18th. All right, perfect. Next is going to be payment method. Payment method is going to be cash. That's an assumption we're using. Deposit to undeposited funds. Project registration is going to be registration fee and monthly gym membership. And that's going to be 1. Let's see what we got going on here. 1 35 35. Wait, 25 35. All right. So save and close. Okay. Next transaction, number 28, March 19th. Christian Shepherd paid $90 for a quarterly gym membership. All right, great. So new sales receipt. Christian, we'll have to enter in Christian Shepherd as customer. He's a new customer, so we're gonna have to add him in and save. Sales receipt date is going to be rolled forward to 3/19. Payment method is going to be cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be what? Quarterly membership. And we're going to hit save and close. No, it's going to be save and new because we have another sales receipt coming up. Save and new. Okay. Let's move on to the next page. Transaction number 29, March 20, sold 1 hour of personal training to Kate Ostino for $35. Okay, Kate Ostino. Select that. Roll forward the sales receipt date to March 20th. Payment method is going to be cash, deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be personal training. 1 hour. Okay. So save and close this guy. Okay. Next transaction is going to be transaction number 30, March 20th. Oh, I want to check to make sure that I rolled that forward because I don't recall. Let's check history. Yep, looks good to me. Okay, so next, what's next up? Next is number 30. March 20, received payment of $35 each from Jerry Klein and Tim Barnes for March gym membership. Okay, so go to new customers, received payment, and we're going to have to enter in the two individual customers separately. Jerry Klein, payment date 3/20, payment method, let's say check, deposit to undeposited funds, and here it is. We're going to have to match this to this invoice. Save and close. And now we also have to do one for Tim Barnes. So let's enter in Tim Barnes right here. Okay. Payment date. Let's see. Payment date is going to be 3/20. Payment method is going to be check. Deposit to undeposited funds. We'll match it up to this invoice right here. And save and close. All right. What's next? What's next? Okay. Transaction number 31, March 21st. Daniel Russell paid $25 for a first-time gym registration fee and a monthly membership fee of $35. So we're going to have to enter that in. New customer sales receipt. Who is it going to be going to? Customer is going to be Daniel Russell. We're going to add Daniel Russell. Save. Okay, billing address this. Sales receipt is going to be 21st. Payment method is going to be what? Cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. And this is going to be for registration fee. And it's also going to be for monthly membership fee. Okay. Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Save and close. All right. All right. Let me pull back to see how we set this up in the first place. Okay, let's see. All right. Next transaction. Let's see what we just did here. We just did Daniel Russell. So next transaction is going to be transaction number 32, March 21st. Total sales from the week are shown below. Okay. So this is going to be another sales receipt. New customers sales receipt. We entered in a weekly sales. Date 3/21. Payment method, say cash, deposit to undeposited funds. And we're gonna have to enter in all these guys separately. So bottled water, orange, blue, red, regular, chocolate, vanilla, peanut butter, vanilla, chocolate, regular, red, blue, orange, bottled water. Bottled water is untaxed. We need to remove that. All right, quantity is going to be 5. Orange is 2. Blue is 3. Red is 1. Regular is 3. Chocolate is 3. Vanilla is 1. And peanut butter is 2. Perfect. And it should be $53.24, and that's what it is. So we're going to hit save and close. All right, next transaction is going to be transaction number 33, March 21st. Deposited all undeposited funds from the third week of the month into the checking account for a total of $473.24. Okay, new, other, bank deposit. Received from, okay. Let's see if you can hit this all. Why is it not selecting all? There we go. $473.24. Yep. Save and close. All right. Let's keep it moving. We got a couple pages left and we'll be done. So we have up to transaction number 46. So let's move it along. Okay, looks like this might be a new one. So transaction number 34, March 22, received partial inventory from purchase order 1002 from Fit Foods Inc. Red sports drink was not available because it has been discontinued and vanilla energy bars were out of stock. Enter the bill for the receipt of all other items on the purchase order for a total of $84.24. The terms are net 30. Okay. Did I have that? Inventory or bill? Okay. Note, enter a bill and select fit foods which may recall the last bill for them. Enter a bill and select fit foods which may recall the last bill for them. If there are items and amounts already listed, click on clear all lines. Below item details, not the clear button at the very bottom that would clear the entire transaction. Then click to add the purchase order on the right sidebar. And delete the sports drink and vanilla nutrition bars by clicking the trash can icon not on the end of the item row by the amount column. Click remove line at the prompt for both. Do not click the unlink it button. The total should be $84.24. Okay. So this is going to be a little bit tricky. All right, let's see what we got here. For inventory, partial okay. Making notes for this because there's a little bit of a new situation over here. Save palette link. Okay. First we need to copy that question. Okay. So let's see how we're going to do this. All right, so let's take a look. New vendor bill. Bill is going to be for Fit Foods Inc. Date is going to be 3/22. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's going to be a little bit complicated from here. What we can do here. 3. Okay, enter a bill and select Fit Foods, which may recall the last bill for them. If there are items and amounts already listed, click on clear all lines. Okay. Okay. Mm. Okay, let's close this out right here. All right, so clear all lines. That's step one. Not that I necessarily agree with it. Below item details, not the clear button at the very bottom. So not this one right here. That will clear the entire transaction. Then click Add Purchase Order on the right. Okay. Sidebar. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. Let's copy this over here. I'm making my notes over here. Okay, so what do we need to do here exactly? Then click to add the purchase order on the right sidebar and delete the red sports drink and vanilla nutrition bars items by clicking the trash can icon on the end of the item row by the amount. Okay. So now and click to add the purchase button. Add all. Let's see. Five. Okay. Okay, so next. Delete affected inventory by clicking trash icon. Okay. And what are they? Let's find out. Let's see, the affected ones were red sports drink and vanilla. So red. Red and what? Vanilla nutrition bar. Right there. Okay. So let's see. Red. There are multiple lines for would you like to? Hmm. Let's see. 5, 6. Remove line. Prompt. Select. Remove line. Okay. Remove line. And vanilla nutrition bar. Remove line. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Total should be $84.24, which it is. So hit save. 7. Hit save. And then do, of course, once you do that, do your control check. So this is a bill. Should be hitting your accounts payable liability. So save and close. Let's see, my account. Not my accountant. Accounting. No. Reports. Balance sheet. Accounts payable right here. And should be right here. And let's hit save. Control check. Let's see. Okay, looks good to me. So that's done. Let's go to dashboard. Move on to the next transaction, transaction number 35. And March 24th, Benny Linus paid $25 for a first-time gym registration fee and a monthly membership fee of $35. Okay, so it's a new sales receipt. New customers sales receipt. Customer is going to be who? Benny Linus. Benny Linus. Okay. Add. Save. Sales receipt is going to be March 24th. Uh-oh. kind of messed up. I see that we messed up the other order, the other transaction. Well, not messed up, but the date was wrong. We'll just go back and fix that. So, sales receipt sales receipt date March 24th. Payment method is going to be cash, deposit to undeposited funds. This is going to be for registration fee and monthly membership. We're going to save and close. And we're going to go back to bills. And just have to change this to the date that it should have been, which is March 24th. Or 22nd, actually. So save and close. Yes. Okay, next transaction is going to be transaction number 36, March 25th. Issued a refund of $35 to Benny Linus, who canceled his membership because he decided working out is too hard. The refund was for the 1 month membership Benny purchased. The registration fee is non-refundable. Write check $10.75 for the refund. Interesting. New refund receipt or check? Why not check? Check. Interesting, we're not doing a refund receipt. So let's look at that again. Check. Okay, perfect. So that's how we're going to do it. So let's close this out and redo this. No. Yes. Okay, so we're going to have to make some additional notes for this. So, transaction 21. Okay, so purchase order, refund, customer refund. Okay, let's just put refund in my notes. Link that up. Insert. Okay, let's go ahead and insert a screenshot of that. All right. So customers refund receipt. Okay. So new new customers refund receipt. 2. So we hit refund receipt. Customer enter. Let's see. All right, customer is going to be Benny Linus. All right, let's go ahead and redo that. All right. Next is going to be refund date 3. I guess it's the refund date. Let's see. Refund date. Enter. It's going to be 324, I think. 325. So roll this forward to 325. Let's take a screenshot of that. Okay. Let's see. Refund receipt date. Okay. Next item is check payment method 4. Select payment method. Select. Okay. Check. All right. Okay, 5. Refund from. Select. All right. Fitness Haven checking in this case. All right. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay. Make sure it's the correct one. Check number 1027. That's correct. And what are we going to do for? Okay, 7. I think it was 7. 6. Okay. Product. Service. Select. Okay. What is it going to be? Let's find out. Membership. Monthly membership. All right. Okay. 7. Description. Enter. Enter. Reason. Reason. Purchased. Membership. Day before. Decided to cancel. Okay. Let's see. And then we just hit save after we do that. Hit save. Okay, save and close. And that should be a minus in the profit loss trend amount for membership fees. So gym revenues, let's see. Oops. Where is it? I guess it was just completely removed. Let's see, sales by customer detail. What's his name? Benny. Good old Benny. Benny. Oh, it looks like it was just completely removed. Okay. Oh, and it said note, use the refund receipt choice under the create icon menu. Okay, that's what we did. So we did good. Okay. Let's see the next transaction. Transaction number 37. March 26th. Sent invoices to the following members in the amount of $35 for April membership, monthly membership with terms net 30. Okay. Have I made notes regarding invoices already? Hopefully I did, so I don't have to do this. Yep, I did. So perfect. So I just have to do this. Note: Jerry Klein, Daniel Brown, Cindy Blackburn, and Daniel Russell decided not to renew their membership. Okay. So new customers, invoice. I'm gonna have to make invoices for all these guys. It looks like we're going to do them separately. So let's go ahead and do it. Adrienne Gonzalez. Let's see, terms net 30, invoice dates 3/26. All right. For monthly membership, April membership. Okay. So customer Adrian Gonzalez, billing terms net 30, invoice 3/26, monthly membership, April membership. That's it. Save and new. Okay, next customer is going to be Lucy Steele. Net 30, invoice 3/26, product service, monthly membership, April membership. Save and new. Next one is going to be who? It's going to be Tim Barnes. All right, terms net 30, invoice date 3/26, due date is going to be based on terms. Product service is going to be monthly membership. Save and new. So we just did Tim Barnes. Next one's going to be Robert Markham. Robert Markham. Okay. Same terms, net 30, invoice date 3/26, product service, monthly membership, April membership. Save and new. Okay. So next one is going to be Katie Layton. Same terms, net 30, invoice date 3/26/20, product services is going to be what? Monthly membership. And description, April membership. Okay, save and new. Customer, we just complete Katie Layton. Next one's John Lockhart. Terms net 30, invoice date 3/26/20, monthly membership. All right. April membership. Okay, save and new. Okay, what's next? Katie Layton was just completed. Next is, no, we just completed John Lockhart. We can check right here. John Lockhart. So next one is Kate Ostino. Kate Ostino. Enter that. Terms net 30, invoice date 3/26/20, product services is going to be what? Product services is going to be monthly membership. And description is going to be April membership. Save and new. Okay. And last one is going to be Jim Lyer. Jim Lyer. Ooh. Sawyer. Jim Sawyer. Terms net 30, invoice date 3/26/20. Product services is going to be monthly membership as well. Description, April membership. And we're going to do save and close, because we're done with that. Okay. And we'll check the reports. Profit and loss. Is it flowing through yet? I'm not sure. No, it's not flowing through just yet. But it should be in the balance sheet. Let's find out. AR, no, it's not there. Interestingly enough, it's not there. Oh, but that's because I know why it's not there. Reports, profit and loss. We have to roll this date forward. Okay, run report. Now let's see how this looks. There it is. And it should be in the balance sheet as AR. We need to roll this forward. Run report. AR 280 right there. Okay, perfect. We have to move on to the next transaction. Transaction number 28 or 38, March 27th. Check number 1028 to Rob's Repairs in the amount of, what is it? Hold on a second. In the amount of $220 for repairing 2 broken machines. Okay, so we're going to go to new, vendors, check. We're going to choose pay, which is going to be Rob's Repairs. Save. Okay. Category. Let's see. Rob's Repairs. Repair. Repair and maintenance. Repair of 2 broken machines. Okay. Okay. And the amount is going to be, oh, I need to roll this date forward to 3/27. Amount is going to be $220 for 2 broken machines. Save and close. All right. What is next? Next item is going to be number 39. March 28th. Sold 2 hours of personal training to Adrian Gonzalez for $70. Okay, so new sales receipt. Customer Adrian Gonzalez. Sales receipt is going to be rolled forward. Date is going to be rolled forward to 3/28. Payment method is going to be cash. Deposit to undeposited funds. Personal product service is going to be personal training. 2 hours of personal training. Quantity 2. That should be 70. Save and close. All right. Next transaction. It's going to be transaction number 40, March 30th. Paid all bills for a total of $542.17. Assign check numbers 1029 to 1033 and enter correct payment date. Okay, so we go to new, we go to vendors, we go to pay bills, select all, and we hit save and close, and it should assign the checks to each one individually. Let's see if we got that. Check detail. What are the other options? Check detail. Okay, I just see that one. Check detail, and it should be 1029 to 1033, which it did. Perfect, perfect, perfect. March 31st. Okay. Received bill from Time Warner in the amount of $147.62 for phone, internet, and cable services with terms of net 30. Okay, let's take a look at that. Received bill. So new. Vendors. Receive bill. Where is it? The amount of 147. So it's going to be Time Warner. Warner. Huh. I want to go back though, because I forgot yes, I forgot regarding the bills I paid. Pay bills. If I move the date forward, I did not. So let's go back to here. It's gonna be annoying. These all have to be moved forward. So this is gonna be what? I think I meant to do it 331. Save and close. Yes. Pay bills. Oh shit. I think I might mess that one up. Okay, I think I messed one of them up. Where is that Springfield? Spring. Pay bills. City. Shoot. What did I just do? Okay, what we need to do is check the reports. Check detail. Let's go back here. We need to run it to 331. One report. All right, first of all, this one I think I messed up. Or did I? Okay, so it should have been 1029. No, I didn't mess them up. So these are going to have to be fixed though. It's 330, not 329. Save and close. Yes. This is going to be 332. 330. Save and close. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see what we got here. 1031. This should be 1030. Or 330. Save and close. Let's see what we got going on here. $10.29, 30, 31, 32, and 33 needs to be changed to 330. Save and close. Yes. And 29, 30, where's 33? This needs to be changed to 330. Save and close. Yes. Okay. And prior to that, so 2 hours, should have been March 27th over here. Okay, I think we are good now. So let's return to the next question that we should be completing. Transaction number 41, March 31st, received bill from Time Warner in the amount of $147.62 for phone, internet, and cable services with terms net 30, new, vendor, let's see. Bill. And there's going to be several bills, so we're going to do save and new. Time Warner. Terms, what is this? Net 30, bill date, due date, category. Oh, the same one. $147.62 for the same amount, so save and new. Okay. Let's see what we got there. I think that was wrong. Let's go back there. March 31st. Save and new. Okay, next one is going to be Metro Electric. Terms net 30. Bill date is going to be March 31st. Category electric. Oh, and so you guys can see March 31st, received bill from Metro Electric Company in this amount of $128.86 for electricity with terms of net 30. So this is going to be different. $128.86. Okay. Save and new. Next item is going to be March 31st, received bill from City of Springfield in the amount of $79.45 for the water with terms of net 30. So City of Springfield, terms is going to be net 30. Bill date is going to be March 31st. Utilities water, $79.45. Save and see what's next. Save and new. We have another bill. And the next bill is going to be transaction number 44. March 31st, received bill from Waste Management in the amount of $45 for trash removal with terms net 30. So we're going to have to do Waste Management for vendor, terms net 30, bill date March 31st, trash removal, amount is $45. Save and close. All right, next transaction is going to be number 45, March 31st. Total food sales from the week are shown in the table below. So it's going to be new customers sales receipt. All right, customer. It's going to be weekly sales. And this is going to be March 31st. Payment method is going to be cash, deposit to undeposited funds. Product service is going to be what? We're going to have to do bottled water. Remember to remove the tax because it's not taxed. Lemon. Let's see. Hold on a sec. Orange. Blue. Not red. Regular. Sugar free. Chocolate. Oopsie, chocolate. Vanilla. And peanut butter. Okay, so quantity is going to be 10, 3, 3, 5, 5, 2, 2, 2, 4. Okay. And total amount should be $94.45, and it is right here, $94.45. So we're going to hit save and close. Now, final transaction. We're almost done here. We're almost done with the book. Final transaction number 46, March 31st. Deposit all undeposited funds into the checking account for a total of $224.45. So we're going to go to new. We're going to go to other, bank deposit. We're going to select amount, account, Fitness Haven checking, date 3/31. Check all. Let's see, come on, there we go. $224.45, that's correct. So we hit save and close, and we're done with the transactions. Now we're going to move on to Reconcile Accounts. And just for your references, I'm going to just show you guys the other pages in the book as well. See, we got here, it goes up to page 74. So let's just click through. And that's it. So let's go back to Reconcile Account page. Okay, so now next step is use the following information to reconcile the checking account. Okay, bank date is going to be 3/31/2020 in this case. Bank statement ending balance is going to be $117,404.14. Outstanding checks are going to be these guys right here. Outstanding deposits is this. Use the following information to reconcile the Visa account. Statement ending date 3/31/2020. Statement ending balance $56.70. Outstanding items none. After reconciling the credit card account, select the option to pay all of a portion of the bill now. Enter the payment date April 1st. Payable to Great American Bank with check number 1034. Okay. So we're going to have to go to this icon over here, the gear icon. Then we are going to go to Tools, Reconcile. And we're going to start with the bank account. So where is that bank account? Fitness Haven checking bank account. So according to this, ending balance is going to be $117,404. $117,404 and what? 14 cents? And 14 cents. Ending date is going to be 3/31/2020. 3/31/2020. Okay, perfect. Now we're going to start reconciling. Enter service charge interest earned if necessary, not necessary. So we're not going to do that. So we're just going to select all. Yes, select all. And we're going to unselect over here until we get to 0. And we're off by a few cents, it seems. But why? Why are we off by a few cents? 52 cents. Okay, check numbers. Let's see. What is off here? 1028, 1029, 1030, 1031, 1032, 1033. Outstanding deposits, $224.45. We're off by 45 cents. Not exactly sure why, but let's take a quick look if we can figure it out. Okay. 1018. Why is 1018 here? Let's see. We're off by 52 cents. But why are we off by 52 cents? Is the question. So $126.48. Well, okay, we have 10 deposits and what do we got? 10 payments and 4 deposits here. But I don't understand. I guess this wasn't selected in the last period. So we have to go back to February to see what these guys are. So let's look at it by number. 1018. Let's see, $51.45. It's kind of mixed up, but $51.45. $126.48. $183.86. $147. Let's see, I don't see $147.62. $147.62 and $45. Let me look at the bank rec. 1018, 1019, 1020, 1021, 1022. Yeah, that sounds about right. And then there's the $228.80. Oop, that should be 85 cents. That's why. And I believe it's due to the adjustment I did in the prior period for the taxes. And I did an adjustment in the prior period. Okay, so that's fine. Save for later. We'll say finish now. Hold on, your difference isn't $0 yet. You aren't ready to reconcile yet because your transactions in QuickBooks doesn't match your statement. When they match, you'll have a difference of $0. Help me find the problem. Okay. If you'd like to proceed, confirm the following and then click add adjustment and finish. So we'll add the adjustment and finish. You reconcile this account to see the report of this reconciliation. View reconciliation report. And let's see where that 56 cents went. Here, adjustment, 52 cents. Oh, where was the adjustment placed? Reconciliation discrepancies. What is that account exactly? Recon. Okay, so that's good. We're done with that. So continue with the reconciliation. Now we're going to reconcile the Visa credit card. So Visa credit card. And to reconcile this, ending balance is going to be $56.70. Ending date is going to be 3/31/20. Start reconciling. And what was this for? Okay. It's just going to be for these items over here. Office supplies and prior payment. Finish now. Pay all or portion of the bill now. And we'll enter this Great American Bank vendor. Visa payment. $10.34. Wait a second. Why is it 68.97 here? Let's see what the reconciliation was over here. That's from last period. So you're gonna have to manually put this in. 56.70. Okay. And payment date is gonna be what? 4/1. We're gonna do a payment date for 4/1. $10.34. Save and close. And the reason's 4/1 is because we're assuming that we're completing reconciliation after the last day of the month. And that's it, folks. Accounts are reconciled, and that's the conclusion of this book. I might be redoing this on my own just to go through it again, just to kind of get some practice. But that for now, this is the end of this mini series. We completed the book. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys found this content to be useful, please hit that like, notification bell, and subscribe button. Until next time, guys, stay hustling, work hard, work smart, and have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.